recall a long time ago in a far YouTube land away, there was this legendary contest by Dominic Minischetti eons ago. Yeah, if you're not familiar with Dominic, everything he makes is he's truly a true craftsman. That is without a doubt. You give him a chunk of wood and he's going to turn it into something motorized. It's really cool. And there's the thunder. It's going to rain. I have it unboxed. There we go. There's no personal information being submitted. You see, Dominic Minischetti lives at 1212 Not Here Lane in the middle of Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka-Laka- up. Here we are. This is all handmade by Dominic. This is so cool. This is almost like a Christmas present. Cool. And I know he did this for me especially. He idiot proofed it. So you don't have to, no matter which one you put in first, the other one's gonna fit. That is so cool. Got the little case. Gonna be, I got alcohol that burns with no odor. So this will definitely be warming up cups of coffee in the deer blind in the winter. That is no doubt. That is outstanding. Again, I appreciate it, Dominic. If y'all don't know Dominic, go check his channel out. I'm going to have this probably ain't going to be a link. It's just going to be his name, Dominic Minischetti. And all you got to do is just go to the little search bar, YouTube search bar, and type in Dominic Minischetti, and he's going to be there. So follow this name. Right. I was originally going to, I was going to fry an egg right now. But again, it's hot. It's going to rain. It's just not working for me. That's all it's been doing. We're doing good right now, but this is some awesome craftsmanship right here. This is handmade. Again, brother, thank you a lot. This is definitely going to get some use. I love the compactness of it. That is pretty darn cool. Handmade. And I like the fact that this is all you gotta do to put it up. Keep it wrapped up in this wax paper. You're definitely going to see the coffee cup getting turned up in the blend, and it's going to be steaming. Instead of drinking my instant water bottle coffee that I just shake up, I'm actually going to have some hot coffee. That is it. This is no weight to it. You see it. That is craftsmanship. Dominic, you are an awesome maker of things. I mean, I'm trying to think. I mean, I know you've done metalwork, you've done woodwork, you've done stonework. You light fires like there's no tomorrow. So we're just going to call you the maker of things. So there you go. Thanks for watching. And again, Dominic, appreciate it. Awesome deal. Sorry it's taking so long to get this out there. For y'all that were like, when did Dominic have a contest? Yeah, it's been that long ago. Thanks for watching.